Are you ready to elevate your TV viewing experience to a whole new level of immersion and brilliance? Introducing the Lytmi Fantasy 3 TV Backlight Kit, the ultimate choice for gamers, movie lovers, and anyone who wants to transform their living space into a visual wonderland. Get ready to embark on a visual journey like never before. With Lytmi Fantasy 3, you're not just getting a backlight, you're getting a revolution in gaming and entertainment. Let's dive into what makes this kit so extraordinary. For gamers, it's a game changer. The first ever sync box that supports 8K resolution means you can now enjoy ultra-immersive gaming experiences at 8K at 60 Hz or 4K at 120 Hz. Experience brilliance like never before. Our next-generation TV backlight strip features 72 LEDs per meter, 50% more than previous designs, for brighter and more stunning lighting effects. Syncing is accurate and smart. Our advanced lighting algorithm picks out the best colors and combines them for a precise sync with your screen, even during fast-paced movies. Enjoy a perfectly synchronized visual experience. Every corner of your TV is color-matched for a seamless and immersive viewing adventure. Connectivity is a breeze. All ports support HDMI 2.1, allowing you to pair multiple media devices at once. And the Lytmi light unlocks the full potential of interactive lighting. Compatibility is key. While Lytmi Fantasy 3 syncs seamlessly with most TVs, please note that it doesn't support Dolby Vision with LGC9, LGC2, and LGE6. So why should you choose Lytmi Fantasy 3? Because it's more than just a backlight, it's a gateway to a world of immersive visuals and entertainment. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your TV experience. Upgrade to Lytmi Fantasy 3 today and immerse yourself in a world of color, brilliance, and entertainment. Lytmi Fantasy 3 TV Backlight Kit. Elevate your entertainment, elevate your life. Link in comment box. And like, comment and share. And subscribe our channel.